A very good afternoon, class 6. Today we will continue our chapter number 13. In this chapter, we are on the exercise 13.5. So, in this exercise, we will study about the reflection and symmetry. So, first of all, about symmetry, you have studied line of symmetry, two line of symmetry, and many lines of symmetry we have already discussed in the chapter. Now, for today's our topic that is new for you all, that is reflection. Reflection you have studied in science also, and the same meaning stands in math also. Reflection क्या होता है? When a light falls on a reflective surface like water, plane mirror, which will fall it back, जो उसको क्या करे? Return करे, back करे. That is called the reflection, right? When lights fall on a reflective surface like the surface of water or a plane mirror, it bounces back, and that phenomena is called as reflection. See, आप लोग जर्नल रेगुलरली भी यूज़ करते हो बेटा कि आपको रिफ्लेक्शन लग रहा है, राइट? वहाँ पे क्या होता है कि जो सन की रेज होती हैं वो मिरर पे लगती हैं, वो वहाँ से रिफ्लेक्ट होके आप पे आती हैं. सो दैट फिनोमिना इज नॉन एज द रिफ्लेक्शन. क्लियर? द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इट्स रिफ्लेक्टेड इमेज आर similar to each other in shape, size, the distance, right? Everything is same. The concept of reflection is used in astronomy for designing telescope. The main is for they are using it for telescopes. I hope everyone knows what is telescope, right? So, where concept of reflection is used, this is used in astronomy for designing telescopes. After that, in the reflection, the main point is, which is very useful to you, is when you are standing in front of the mirror and see yourself in the mirror. So the distance, suppose this is a mirror, here you are and your image is shown here. So whatever be the distance between you and the mirror, the same distance will be there in the mirror, the image which is formed by the mirror. So distance, shape, size, all three are equal. So don't get confused that if reflection is there, so either our size diminished or something. No. Nothing like this. All things, your shape, size, everything will remain the same with object, and the reflected image means the image obtained in the mirror. Right? Here see. Just the shape change, because you observe in the mirror that if in reality you will up your right hand in the mirror, in the reflected image, it will show that your left hand will up, right? मिरर में जब आप देखते हो बेटा, आप अगर राइट हैंड को अप करते हो तो मिरर में जो आपकी रिफ्लेक्टेड इमेज है उस पर क्या शो होता है? दैट यू आर अपिंग द लेफ्ट हैंड, राइट? सो यहाँ पे जस्ट पोजिशंस चेंज हो जाती हैं. सी हेयर image of R and see the image of R in the mirror. So whatever you will make it in the mirror, it will shows the opposite one. See here. So this mirror is also play the role of line of symmetry. This is mirror, and at second point you can say it plays the role of line of symmetry. Clear all? So in the mirror, whenever be the reflected image shown, just the direction change. See, without image also you are observing that in the your assembly ground, when you are standing and you are doing the PT, so the one who is commanding to you, he or she tell you from the left hand and you are taking your right hand, right? So that is the reflection. ये आपका साइड्स के उससे भी होता है बेटा, जब हम आमने सामने होते हैं, right? This side I will put one more pencil that will be from this side. So यहाँ पे देखो साइड में भी चेंजमेंट होगा आपका. For this will be the for this will be the left hand, and for this one, this side will be the left hand, right? Now after that, one more point is given, and this question you will do yourself. What is the difference between object and its mirror image? This question you have to do in your notebook. ये क्वेश्चन आपको इस एक्सरसाइज के साथ अपनी नोटबुक में नोट डाउन करना है. दैट व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एन ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इट्स मिरर इमेज. क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? नाउ come to the next page. One main point that is given in your book is that there are some palindromes. Palindromes words are also there and palindromic numbers are also there. Palindromes words क्या होते हैं बेटा? Which we can read as the same from left to right or from right to left. Like you can say noon, deed, eye, level, radar, none, right? These are the words. If we read from left to right or from right to left, they will in the same way. Similarly, the numbers which read same from both left and right are called the palindromic numbers, right? Words होते हैं palindromes words and numbers are palindromic number. Like from this side if you read 1551 and this side also 1551. So now what is here? The distance between an object and the mirror is equal to the distance between its reflected image and the mirror, which I told you earlier. Whatever be the distance between the object and the mirror, the same distance will be the between the mirror and its reflected image. Then the size of the image formed on the mirror is same as the size of the original objects. So size will not be decreased, size will remain the same, right? Now come to the exercise part. So here first question, key one is fill in the blanks. And fill-ups are, first one is an object and its image are dash with respect to the mirror line. So see, object और image same to same होते हैं. अगर आप कोई movement नहीं करते तो see, they are same to same, and same to same in the symmetrical way which we say the object and its image are symmetrical with respect to the mirror line. Clear? Now the B part, the size of the reflected image dash the size of an object. So this I told you, whatever be the size of the image formed on the mirror is same as the size of the original object. So size of the reflected image is same as the size of the object. Clear? Now come to the next one, that is when you look into the mirror and raise your right hand. See the question I told you, this is come as the fill up. when you look into the mirror and raise your right hand, you observe that your reflection in the mirror has raised its right hand. So see here, in the actual you are raising your right hand. सो मिरर में जो है बच्चे आपकी अपोजिट साइड्स होगी, तो राइट का अपोजिट क्या होता है? लेफ्ट. सो रिफ्लेक्शन इन द मिरर हैज़ रेज्ड इट्स लेफ्ट हैंड, राइट. नाउ अगेन फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स. सी हेयर न्यू वर्ड्स, दैट इज कैलिडोस्कोप. कैलिडोस्कोप होता है बच्चे आपका एक ऑप्टिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है, जिसमें क्या होता है, हम मिरर्स यूज़ करते हैं, which is used to see the four objects, and in that around the objects क्या होती है, लाइंस क्रिएट होती हैं. टू प्रोड्यूस द इमेज देयर आर सेवरल लाइंस क्रिएट होती हैं, और वो लाइंस क्या होती हैं, आपकी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री का वर्क करती हैं, राइट. सो कैलिडोस्कोप जो एक ऑप्टिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, इन दिस वी आर यूजिंग द मिरर्स. एंड जो मिरर्स होते हैं वो आपके वो ऐसे यूज़ किए जाते हैं बच्चे, जिससे जो आपका ऑब्जेक्ट है इन एनी डायरेक्शन यू विल सी, इट विल सी द सेम एज, राइट. एंड so many example of there are. So now come to the fill up. A kaleidoscope uses mirror. See, I told you it uses the mirrors to produce image that have several lines of symmetry. Clear? So today you will learn about two new words. First one, palindromes words, which we will read from both the sides same, and kaleidoscope, right. Now the B part, that is the dash, angle or side between the mirrors. So I told you they are using the concept of angles with the mirror in a kaleidoscope determines its number of line of symmetry, right. Now the mirror image of the letter U looks dash the original. So see here, this is the U and this one is the mirror, right. So this side from this, so how it is? The same as the original. Now there is one more alphabet. Now see, that comes in your questions and I will tell you. The correct diagram representing the letter A and its mirror image. So for these type of questions, the best is we will write what alphabet is there. A. This one is suppose mirror में this one is left and a right. So ये right जो है ये left में आएगा like this, and this will be go this, right. So part C is the mirror image. So see here, we learn two alphabets U and A, which has the same mirror image as the object. Now the key 5. Select the correct representation of the object and its image. So first of all, here the first one is the object, this bracket. So it's mirror image of this, you can see. So it started from this, then this, and then this, which is option B, right. Now the case 6, the mirror image of this clock. So when you see this clock in the mirror, when the needle of hour is here, complete है तो ये यहीं रहेगी, राइट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी कंप्लीट कंप्लीट. सो यहाँ पे देखो ये हाफ में आ रहे हैं, इट मीन्स दिस इज़ नॉट, क्योंकि उसकी जो है वो डायरेक्शन सेम ही रहती है, सिर्फ साइड्स चेंज होती हैं. अगर अप है तो वो 12 अप ही रहेगा, डाउन में नहीं आएगा. रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट. एंड नाउ इन ऑप्शन ए एंड बी, ये तो एग्जैक्ट सेम है, सो दिस विल बी द मिरर इमेज. एंड इफ ये था आपका ऑप्शन में गिवन, एंड इफ इट इज़ नॉट गिवन इन द ऑप्शन, सो हाउ यू विल डू दैट. द क्वेश्चन इज आप कैसे करेंगे उसको. सी वी नो 12 विल ऑलवेज बी एट द प्लेस ऑफ दिस. सो ये जो निडल है आपकी, दिस साइड इट इज़ इन द राइट साइड, एंड वी नो इन द मिरर the side right will come at the left. It means this will come here and this will come as. Clear? So these are the you can do very easily. Now come to this key 7, that is match the following. Here are the digits given and here are the mirror image. Will not see it, we will just draw the mirror image of everyone. See P, so mirror image of this is like this, right, like 9. Then Q, O will remain the same and ये यहाँ है, so it means this will come at this side, right. Now 4, this here, then this and then this, right. Now for 2 it will go as this one, which is this C. T will remain the same. T, I, these are the alphabets which will remain the same. V, U, 9 भी आपका क्या होगा, little bit change, right. These are the mirror image and you will join them and do the match. Clear students? And for you one more question is there, that write A to Z alphabets and draw their mirror image, right. Draw their mirror image and remember this will be their homework. You have to draw the mirror image of every alphabet. Now K8, if a line segment AB of length 7 centimeter is reflected in a mirror, so find the length of reflected image. सो बेटा जो लेंथ आपकी इमेज की रिफ्लेक्टेड इन अ मिरर से पहले है, दैट विल बी सेम एज द लेंथ ऑफ द रिफ्लेक्टेड इमेज. इट मीन्स हेयर द लेंथ ऑफ द रिफ्लेक्टेड इमेज इज 7 centimeter. Clear this one? Now the key 9, if an angle EOB measuring 45 degree is reflected in a mirror, what is the angle in the reflected image, right. We have to find that what is the angle in the reflected image. So this question you will do yourself. Now come to the key 10, that is a toy is placed in front of a mirror at a distance of 60 centimeter from it. So see toy है like this, any toy is there. जो आपका टॉय है वो मिरर से 60 सेंटीमीटर के डिस्टेंस पे है. सो व्हाट इज़ द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द रिफ्लेक्टेड इमेज एंड द टॉय. रिफ्लेक्टेड टॉय यहाँ है और इसकी रिफ्लेक्टेड इमेज यहाँ पे होगी, राइट. सो 60 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम हेयर एंड 60 फ्रॉम हेयर. सो टॉय और रिफ्लेक्टेड इमेज में जो है distance between the reflected image and the toy is 60 centimeter plus 60 centimeter. It is equals to 120 centimeter. Clear? So now our chapter 13 is over today. If anyone have any problem in chapter 13, you can comment and ask. And this question and this is your homework, and do that in your fair notebook. Clear all of you? I hope chapter 13 is clear to all.